So, I think we've done 10k so far. It's a 40-mile ride. We've stopped for coffee and lunch in a toddler's cafe. So, on the left is an aloe vera field. So we oh, that was a big flat snake on the road then. Flat snake. Looks like there's pineapple fields to the right. And in the hedge there's banana plants with bananas on them. Looks like we're coming up to some kind of temple up here. Very colourful temple. First hill. Okay, we just stopped by the side of this lake, as we kind of seen. A big heron was flown away. It's gone. Damn it. Saw a kingfisher earlier, right next to me on a telegraph pole, my level. Reached for my phone, camera, flown away. Birds not playing ball today. Okay, just ridden past an elephant shit in the middle of the road. There's a sign, beware of elephants. Border patrol checkpoint. In the game of frog versus snake, snake are currently winning with 18 snake roadkills and only 12 frogs roadkills. Here she does it. Manifesting coffee stops. Manifesting coffee stops. What? I don't know. Okay. Arrived at our
You got to turn the water on a few times.
back in accommodation. Comes with a fridge.
And what you need when you're camping is a nice white
With cold beers. And a Diamante sofa.
Kate might even be happy with this camping.
Oh, Kate Crow, look at those gowns.
This is how we camp now.
Bananas. 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 Okay. Okay, friendly doggy.
No.
Friendly doggy. Cows, egrets, pond herons. Big ears. Looks a bit like Jar Jar Binks. Unfortunate. Uh-oh. Emma's worst nightmare. More dogs. In a barking mood. No. I go dog side. Doggies everywhere. Oh, you chill. You chill. Off the dirt road, back onto the concrete. Hello! We going for food? We found somewhere for dinner. Okay, Em's got a new basket on her bike. She's looking cool. We've had our dinner. She's on high alert for street dogs, soy dogs. I'm stressing can see them in the distance, littered along the road.
Can you hear them?
Some sleepy, some grumpy.
This is the time they like to come really get you. Every day. They've slept all day and now they're full of beans.
Can you hear all the night sounds are just cranking up now? Whatever they are, insects, frogs. Alright, cacophony.
We need to swap sides.
We need to swap sides apparently. Jar Jar Binks' cow to the left. Look at the size on his ears. Then we got a dog, sleepy, but wary, no barky, good dog. Barky dogs are up here. Garden houses. Hello. On the dirt road. Black dog. Is he going to be grumpy? Is he going to be friendly? He's heading back in his house. Nice. Thank you for letting us pass. Grumpy dog territory is down here somewhere. What? Okay, this is the last house, the last dog house we need to get past before the campsite without being savaged. We're up on the patio there, on the left. See them watching us. Are they going to chase us? Notice I'm protecting my wife and riding in between her and dogs because I am a gallant husband.
Those cows are here.
Here they come. See you later. Look at that beauty. Banana time. Glad that's captured on video.